I like the fact that they're getting to work with professionals in the field and that they're getting to, work with a different kind of a conductor and just get that experience.
And this is truly a labor of love. We have beautiful teaching artists that come from all over the world, and we have a beautiful eclectic mix here of a global music scene coming together to help our students shine.
I'm really excited to see what we'll see on stage.
The concert was incredible. I like it.